3 free Amazon research tools. Here's what you actually get from each. Helium 10. Good for one idea, not ongoing research. The free plan gives limited daily access to core tools like Xray, Black Box, Cerebro, and Magnet. It's enough to validate a single product idea. It's not built to sustain regular research. The caps hit fast if you use it often. SmartScout. No free platform, but a real free extension. The full SmartScout platform has no free tier. Plans start at $29/month. The Chrome extension is genuinely free. 1,000 lookups a month, no card required. It includes an opportunity score, profit calculator, and product history charts directly on Amazon's own pages. Keepa, the most generous free option. Keepa's free account isn't a trial, it's a permanent free tier. It tracks up to 10 years of price history, with browser extension and mobile app access. The paid tier adds deeper tools like product finder and seller lookup, but the free version alone covers real price history research. Start with the one that matches what you need if you want to validate one product idea. Helium 10 free plan is enough for that single check. If you want ongoing lookups while browsing Amazon, SmartScout's free extension has the highest usage cap. If price history is your main question, Keepa's free tier is built specifically for that.